regarding my boiler pipe.
What's wrong with your boiler pipe?
I got a tremendous amount of steam coming out of the boiler pipe outside.
Oh yeah.
And the pressure of the gauge is going down. Now either there's a split in the pipe, I don't know. But my brother-in-law said that it's coming from the pipe outside, and this other guy said it might be the valve on the boiler. And these people are sitting in freezing cold conditions at the moment.
Oh yeah, lodges.
Yeah.
The actual lodges.
Have you sent it yet?
No. I just.
Oh no.
Oh, so they got no
Just
heating?
say something like,
They shouldn't pay you
I
anyway.
just don't know what they're doing.
More cat.
yeah, because otherwise.
Isn't they sabotage it deliberately?
No, not at all. I think
said that.
Yeah.
they have it on probably for too long
It's in your
and
head.
warm the
That
boiler
shouldn't
out.
matter. You should have had it 24 hours.
Yeah.
You'll still be alright.
Yeah, no, but it's an old boiler, and what happens is, you see, the lifespan of the boiler just dies out. So I reckon that's what's happened. They probably used it to the limit. It does need to be, there does need to be a replacement, but I just can't afford to do a replacement.
Just say to him, literally casually,
New Southgate, North London.
say, meeting
On a
friend, I'll give you a call tomorrow.